Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. Here guys, we have our Imperial TV and of course I'm going to show you the fix the issue where of course if you're getting black screen issue. Now of course the black screen issue happens when the TV itself, if you try to turn it on, as you can see it's an Imperial TV. If you try to turn it on, what's going to happen is that the TV itself will refuse to power on in terms of you can't see anything on the display. Now, of course, you'll be able to hear stuff like the TV in the background, probably menus moving, but nothing on the display. Alright, so if you're having that problem, simply follow this tutorial to fix the issue. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find your power card or your power cable and you're going to unplug it from the wall. Alright, so we're going to unplug the TV itself, so you can leave that unplugged. Alright, so as it relates to the TV now, there is a power button right beneath here. Alright, so usually there's a power button here after you unplug the TV. In some TVs they might move it to this side or that side, so it depends. But most times it's right here to the center. It's a raise button, it is there. Some people say it's not there, but it's actually there. If you can angle yourself to look under here, you'll see the power button symbol. Alright, so you're going to press the physical power button. I'm not going to do it right now, I'm going to show you. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your hands beneath the TV. Do note the TV should be unplugged as I showed you. And of course you're going to press and hold, you're going to count to 60. Or if you have a timer, you're going to set the timer for a minute. Once you do, you're going to remove your hand, you're going to plug the TV back into the wall or the outlet. I'm not going to show that, I'm just going to do it. Alright, so once you plug the TV back in, as you can see here I have the LED on, so it will come on with that. And you can try again to power on the TV, so you can use the remote this time and you're going to power on the TV. Now what should happen is that the TV should power up and you should be getting a display this time. If for some reason it doesn't come on, I advise that you unplug the TV once more. You're going to press the power button again for like say 2 minutes. This time, you're going to hold the physical power button, not the one on the remote. You're going to hold the physical one again for 2 minutes. You're going to wait. And of course, you're going to plug the TV back in and try to power on again by pressing the power button once. If you do this, try it at least maybe a couple of times. For some people, you might get it on the first try. Sometimes it takes a few tries. And of course, if all else fails, I advise that you plug the TV out overnight. And of course, once you plug the TV overnight, you try it again in the morning to power up. And of course, you should be able to fix the black screen issue. Do hope this was helpful. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, showing you how to fix the black screen issue on a Imperial TV. Alright, so Ricardo Gardner saying bye until next time. Bye guys.